Weather Wednesday, a time when we get to talk about the weather together more in depth and help you understand a bit more about how it can impact our lives. And today we're taking you halfway around the world as Typhoon Ragasa, one of the strongest in years, has battered Hong Kong and South China today after leaving deadly destruction in Taiwan and the Philippines. Here's NBC's Janice Mackey-Freyer to take us there.
Typhoon Ragasa, the most powerful tropical storm on Earth this year, hammered Hong Kong and southern China. With gusting winds at more than 120 miles per hour at times, it's been churning for days across the South China Sea. The sheer size of it captured from space and putting millions here in China on high alert. In Hong Kong, the rain was so heavy that seawater burst through the doors of a hotel lobby. Ragasa first hit the Philippines earlier this week, causing flooding and landslides, then crossed south of Taiwan, where a lake burst, causing massive and deadly flooding there. The military is now delivering aid. Ragasa then made landfall for a second time, hitting Guangdong province here in China, authorities taking no chances and evacuating more than 1 million people to shelters, according to state media. Experts say typhoons like this are getting stronger and more destructive every year because of warming seas and climate change. At one point, this typhoon was equivalent to a Category 5 hurricane. Ragasa is expected to weaken now as it moves toward Vietnam and Laos, still bringing a lot of rain and more destruction. But in Chinese megacities like Guangzhou and Shenzhen, the streets have been eerily empty as millions have been warned to stay inside and wait for the storm to pass. Janice Mackey-Freyer, NBC News, Beijing.